soy sauce, deviled eggs with some chili crisp. Oh my goodness, we are back with another boiled egg recipe. First thing you're going to need is 5 boiled eggs. Grab a bowl to fit your 5 eggs comfortably. First ingredient is soy sauce. You can use red cap, you can use the green cap. So we're going to put it better half. Oh, I spilled some more here. Oh my goodness. I'm not a chef. I just chef a lot. Now you're going to need 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. Ooh, smells like dirty feet. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This sugar has been sitting in my pantry for 30 years. It is becoming clumpy, but it still tastes very good. Little add more for the extra sweetness. Now you want to take this and whisk it until the sugar dissolves. Are you dissolving? I think that vinegar is super strong. The sugar dissolved immediately. Once your concoction has been mixed thoroughly, add your eggs to the bowl. And the last thing you want to do is you want to take some high quality H2O and add enough water until your eggs are completely covered. Now cover your eggs, and what you want to do is you want to refrigerate this for 1 hour minimum. But if the longer you refrigerate it for, the more flavorful the eggs will be getting. So we'll see you back in 1 hour. It has been a little bit over an hour, and our eggs have been marinating in the refrigerator. Before we remove the eggs from the marinade, we are going to make the mixture that you put on top of the eggs. So grab a bowl. Obviously, we got a bowl in the house. Got a bowl in the house. If you see it, you have to shout. Something is mentally wrong with me. I was dropped as an adult. First, you're going to need a half a cup of mayonnaise. You know you can make homemade mayonnaise with some boiled eggs and some oil, and then you emulsify it. There's a tiny hole. How am I supposed to pitch my spatula in there? It looks like it's about a half a cup. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. That is more than a tablespoon. Oh my goodness. It's going to be extra salty. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Make sure it is pure, like my soul on a Sunday night. 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar. I can't even say vinegar properly. Now you want to mix it together until it is smooth like a freshly baked Milko baby. Ooh, that has some very good flavoring. Now we get to take the eggs out. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Bad boys, you got some soy? Hey, that rhymed. You don't need the mixture, so you can dump it out. And look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. The eggs have soaked up the soy. Cut the eggs in half. You want to cut it long ways. And then you want to take your egg yolks from your eggs and put it in your mayonnaise mixture. Alright, all the yolks are in the mayonnaise mixture. Now you want to mix this all together until the yolks are all smooth and everything is smooth into this mixture here. Look at this. We're going to take this mixture and we're going to spoon it inside the egg yolks. I ain't gonna lie, I took a little taste test and man, my taste buds were dancing to the YMCA. We're gonna say YMCA. I'm excited to eat this. I am going to put this in a dish. To make it cleaner, I need my cutting board to make the rest of the toppings. Look at me, I'm learning the lingo of the chefings. In a year to 2 years from now, hopefully I'll be a way better chef than when I first started off with. And that is the goal. But until then, I still have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Good thing recipes are meant to be followed. And dishes are meant to be watched. You want to top off your eggs with some scallions or green onions, some chili crisp, and a little bit of sesame seeds. Alright, let's take some of that green onion and sprinkle it on top of the eggs. These onions are pretty powerful. I think I'm going to start crying here soon. Next, I'm going to be topping it off with some sweet heat chili crisp oil. Szechuan chili oil. I am telling you, man, you bring this to a tailgate party or to any other type of party that requires some kind of food. You're gonna be the talk of the town. And the last thing you wanna add, unless you have a seed allergy, is some sesame seeds to give it an extra crunch. I think my deviled egg mixture is a little bit runny and watery, but at the end of the day, it is going to go in this mouth and it's going to look the same when it comes back out. Watery, soy sauce, deviled eggs with some chili crisp. That is very delicious. The green onions complement the chili crisp, the soy sauce, in the boiled egg on the exterior, and then the mixture of the mayonnaise deviled egg mixture, whatever it's called in real life, is a great combination. I thought my last hard-boiled egg recipe was amazing, but this is 20 times better than that. I can't stop eating it. Alright, ding ding ding. Thank you. Egg again.